So let's start with today's beautiful recipe. Now first I've taken this eril, which is also called chowli or long beans. Now I've taken some water. To that I'm adding a little bit of salt. And what I'm going to do is now take off the tips of this eril. Sometimes they do have a string, sometimes they don't. So just take off the tips like this of all of the erils first. Like I said, some of them do have a string, sometimes they just come off like that. Now once that is done, I'm going to break these with my fingers. You can either do it this way or I'll show you the other way also. Just break them up into small little pieces like this, like you would do with gawar bhaji. You can take 2 at a time also. They are very easy to work with. So you can either do it this way or I'll show you how to do it with a knife also. So you can just take a bunch of them in your hand, just even them up so that they all come together at the tip, and then just take a knife and cut them. So whatever way you find easier for you, you can do it that way. This is also a very healthy vegetable which you can eat, and I'm going to show you how to prepare it in a very easy way. So once we've cut all of this, we're going to soak again, put it in this water, salt water, for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then I'm just going to rinse it out, using a colander and washing it really, really well and letting all the water drain away, like you'll see in the video. So just collect all of them like this, soak them. And then I'm going to just drain them like this and then wash them under my running water really, really well. You have to ensure that you wash your vegetables really well. And now we can start preparing our lovely vegetable. So here I'm just going to heat my pan. Once my pan is nice and hot, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of oil. Now you can use coconut oil also. It gives a beautiful flavor to the dish, but I'm just using regular cooking oil. Now once my oil is hot, I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds begin to pop, what I've done is I've just coarsely crushed 2 cloves of garlic in my mortar and pestle. So you can add that. I'm going to put a sprig of curry leaves. Let's say about 7 to 8 curry leaves. Then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Next, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Now I'm going to add 2 green chilies that I've just slit. I'm going to saute everything really nicely so the chilies get nice and fried. And I'm going to add 1 medium-sized onion chopped fine. Now we're going to bagar the onion really well till it turns nice and translucent. So this vegetable goes really well as a side, dish to any food like sorak, rice. Now I'm going to add the nicely washed up eril. And we're going to mix everything really well together. So this goes well with sorak, rice, some fried fish. It even goes well with the meat dishes also. And it helps us to get our veggies in, which is really good for health. And once I've sauteed everything, I'm just going to cover and cook this for 7 minutes on a low flame, stirring in between. And you will see that it gets cooked really fast. Now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi. Mix everything really nicely well. Now I'm going to add some salt to taste and a pinch of sugar as well. Just a pinch of sugar. And again mix everything well together. Now our vegetable is a little bit done. It's not completely cooked. So to help the process, we're just going to add about 4 tablespoons of water, or less than 1/4 cup of water. Just a little water to help the vegetable cook really well. Mix everything well together. And again we're going to cover and cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes till our vegetable is nice and cooked and the water evaporates. So you can see now that it's all ready. The vegetable is nice and cooked. You can even, test whether it's cooked by just taking a piece and tasting it. And now I'm just going to I put the flame off, and I'm just going to add some freshly grated coconut. This coconut also makes the dish so very tasty. And that's it, friends. Our lovely Eeril Foogath is all ready to enjoy. So I hope you liked today's recipe. I'll catch you in the next one soon. Bye. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.